Hi everybody, it's Tamara from Mess Around here, and I'm here to show you really simple messy activity for you to try at home. It's frozen pom-poms. So what you're going to need is a container. It doesn't have to be very big because it has to fit in your freezer, remember. So I've picked up just a takeaway container. You're going to need some water, so I put mine in a plastic cup ready. And of course you're going to need pom-poms. Look at all these different colours. Now of course you don't need that many. What we're going to do is open up our container and we're just going to grab a whole handful of pom-poms. Now little ones are going to love this because of all the different soft textures to play with. So we're going to pop a layer of pom-poms in, and then we're going to cover it with water. So just enough so it's not completely covered, but enough that you're going to have some pom-poms sticking out. And then I leave them to soak for about 15 minutes before you then pop them in your freezer. And you can add a lid on as well. And then we'll put that out of the way. And as if by magic, I will show you the finished result. So I left this overnight. I'm going to try and pop it out of its container. And look at that, how wonderful does that look? And it's so much fun to play with. It's a really good one to play with outdoors, but you could just pop it on a tough tray. You can leave it to melt, or you can use some tools to try and break it up. But it's a really fun one for all ages, and it just looks and feels fantastic. Hope you enjoy this one at home. Send us your photos and videos if you try it for yourself. Bye now.